Imagine a computer so powerful that it can solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest computers millions of years. Welcome to the amazing world of quantum computing. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting tech videos. So, what exactly is quantum computing? To understand that, let's start with how our regular computers work. Traditional computers use bits to process information. These bits are like tiny switches that can be either off or on, represented by 0 or 1. Everything your computer does, from playing games to browsing the internet, is based on combinations of these 0s and 1s. But quantum computers are different. They use something called quantum bits, or qubits. These qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to a special property called superposition. Imagine flipping a coin. A regular computer is like having the coin land on heads or tails, but a quantum computer is like the coin spinning in the air, showing both heads and tails at the same time. This superposition allows quantum computers to process a vast amount of information all at once, making them incredibly powerful. Another cool thing about qubits is something called entanglement. When qubits become entangled, the state of one qubit instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. It's like magic. Imagine you have two magic coins. If you flip one and it lands on heads, the other coin, even if it's on the other side of the world, will instantly show tails. This property helps quantum computers perform complex calculations much faster than regular computers. But how does this help us? Let's look at some real-world examples. One area where quantum computers can make a huge difference is in medicine. They can analyze massive amounts of data to find patterns and help create new drugs faster than ever before. For example, imagine trying to figure out the best recipe for a cake. A regular computer tries each ingredient one by one, but a quantum computer tries all combinations at once. This means finding the perfect cure for diseases can be done much quicker. Quantum computers can also revolutionize cryptography, making our online information more secure. They can easily solve complex mathematical problems that protect our data, making it almost impossible for hackers to break into systems. Think of it like a super complex lock on a treasure chest. Right now, regular computers can eventually pick the lock, but quantum computers can create locks so complex that picking them would take longer than the age of the universe. Another exciting application is in artificial intelligence. Quantum computers can process huge data sets and improve machine learning, helping AI systems learn and adapt much quicker. Imagine teaching a dog to do tricks. A regular computer is like teaching the dog one trick at a time, while a quantum computer teaches the dog all the tricks at once. This means smarter AI that can solve problems we haven't even thought of yet. But building a quantum computer is no easy task. They need very special conditions to work, like extremely low temperatures and isolation from any kind of interference. To give you an idea, some quantum computers operate at temperatures colder than outer space. This keeps the qubits stable so they can do their magic. Companies and researchers around the world are working hard to make quantum computing more practical and accessible. Big names like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are investing heavily in this technology. Now, let's talk about some challenges. One big challenge is error correction. Qubits are very sensitive and can easily lose their information due to noise and interference. Scientists are developing ways to correct these errors to make quantum computers more reliable. Imagine trying to whisper a secret to a friend in a noisy room. You might get the message wrong because of all the noise. Quantum computers face a similar problem, and scientists are finding ways to make sure the message gets through correctly. Another challenge is scaling up. Building a large-scale quantum computer with millions of qubits is incredibly difficult. Right now, most quantum computers have only a few dozen qubits. It's like building a skyscraper. We have the blueprints and the technology, but we need to figure out how to make it bigger and stronger without it collapsing. Despite these challenges, the potential of quantum computing is enormous. It could solve problems we can't even imagine today, transforming industries and our everyday lives. So, how can you get involved in the quantum revolution? Start by learning more about quantum physics and computer science. There are lots of resources online, including courses and tutorials that can help you understand this fascinating field. You can also try building simple quantum programs using tools like Qiskit from IBM or Google's Cirq. These tools let you play with quantum algorithms and see how they work, even if you don't have a quantum computer. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be one of the scientists or engineers making breakthroughs in quantum computing, shaping the future of technology. Imagine being part of a team that develops a quantum computer capable of discovering new planets, curing diseases, or creating super smart AI. The possibilities are endless. That's it for today's video on quantum computing. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about cutting-edge technology, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.